Hello to you and welcome to my channel where me and my niece Jessica with my two dogs Scout and Herbie currently travelling Europe. We left Luxembourg after going to try to find the Tumple waterfall, see the previous vlog, and headed across the German border into Saarburg. So far we have travelled 559 miles from base, which is in the Midlands. I hope you enjoy this vlog showing what we get up to. Also, thank you to subscribers, old and new, for following me on this journey. Thank you very much. The following morning, we got up and it was time to go a walk and explore. Good morning from Germany. Oh, what travels we've done. Now I'm going to show you around this beautiful town. Saarburg was amazing, like everywhere else really. Are you ready for this one? This is a waterfall in the middle of town. I've never seen anything like it. It has got a 20-metre drop and it flows down into the river Saar.
Hier am Rhein, da kenn ich jeden Stein. Die Straßen voll Geschichten, alt und fein. Markt am Samstag, frisches Brot und Wein. Mein Zuhause kann es schöner sein. Mit Freunden unterm Lindenbaum. Lachen laut im Sommer.
Here's looking at you. Wow, look at the size of that boat. And then this shows you the bit where the waterfall comes out. And just there, look. It's so beautiful. I love it. Now time to say goodbye to Germany. Just a brief visit, but I'll definitely be back.
Tower. Germany, seeing the Eiffel Tower.
Still working on it. It's just gone beep 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 beep. We had a little leg stretch in Liocourt and went a little walk around this little village. I did end up having a little laugh to myself because I found a walnut tree and there was all walnuts on the floor. I didn't even know walnuts came from trees, but Jess didn't either. So then she's asking where cashew nuts come from. I found this house at the side of the church. Look at the little figure. Lovely. And then we moved on. No, we don't want city centre.
Not again.
I was getting so tired. I've been driving from 1:30 in the afternoon and it was now getting up for 6:30, 7 o'clock. So time for the night to stop. Good morning from me. It's about 7:15 here in the morning. I'm just taking the dogs out. This was our park up last night. We're on our way to the Magneux-Haute-Rive viaduct bridge, so it's an early start today. We've still got 9 hours to go, so I'm going to try and break that into another 5 hours today because I drove 5 hours yesterday, and I'm going to try and do another 5 hours today, if not more, weather dependent, because it rained almost all the way yesterday. I'm out walking and I haven't got my selfie stick. It's been an alright park up here. It's really quiet. It's on park for the night. And it's just on the edge of all the main roads that we need to get to. So, yeah, it's very nice. It's a dead end road here. Got bags under my eyes. Oh well. And then behind me up there are rocks and stuff. But we're not about to go and walk them. Not today. Right, going. Which way are you going now? We're not doing that one, we're doing that one. Let's show you how to go around an island. Oh, he's going the same way as us. We're going towards Dole. That's how you do an island in France. Oh. Dum 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 dum. 9,
8.
Oh, we didn't really move then, did we? How the traffic lights work, look, they're timed. It's like watching paint dry. You watch, just that lorry comes out just as we get to go again. We are going with our 3 little birds. Oh, oh, oh! God, they do slow you down. Woo! Awful lot of roadworks going on here, and we're also seeing quite a lot of floods. Oh, fuel. There we go. Let's go get some fuel. Right, which way do we go to get it? Round this way. We are now at Frotey-Les-Vesoul and we are 865 miles from base. That's our home in the Midlands.
Very tight garage.
Now we go try and figure out how to put it in. It has got, oh, it's yellow, isn't it? Yes. It says yellow. Yellow, yellow. My purse is in the back. So well, how do we pay? As soon as I get 1,000 miles from my base in the Midlands, then I will update you on how much fuel I've used so far. They're down here then. We surfaced the road, I think. We were tootling along, absolutely lovely, and then we lost the route on the maps and we ended up on a motorway or toll road, whatever it was. What?
Make sure you go through one that's got a card payment on it.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's cash.
Which one's cash?
That side.
Oh, it's a good job Jess is here, otherwise I'd have to get out.
Your side.
Oh, that's it.
It's not.
Just, yeah, hang on a minute. Ticket.
So 10.
It's hot, isn't it?
Is that, it went through something. Did we get a receipt? No?
Okay.
Right. Okay.
We're off that road.
What do you think it might have been? 10?
I'm sure it flashed up 10, but it wasn't your Revolut anyway.
Yeah. Could you all just put some more money on my Revolut card? Right, just chuck everything back in the thing now. If I weren't in here then, if Jess weren't in here then, we'd have been right. Right, at least we're off it. That was because the sat-nav lost where we were.
My phone's lost where we are.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because we're getting off that toll road. What?
Does it say where you're heading to now?
We can't see on our... What's that out there?
Montbrisson.
Montbrisson?
When we got on that road, it suddenly jumped down to about 3 hours to get to that viaduct. But then obviously going down the road and then avoiding tolls and motorways, it's jumped back up to 4 hours 54. I think it was 10, but she needs to have a look on it.
Hang on, this is keeps losing it now, the sat-nav. Yeah, it was only because the sat-nav went off and it was like, oh God, okay. But we could have got off at the first one then, couldn't we? Where you were saying get off at the first one.
Yeah.
That's where Jess's thing was trying to take us, but mine was saying stay on.
To charge us for.
So, yeah. But, oh well, at least we're off and we've paid. Because we ain't got a ticket to anything now, have we? We've got no ticket to say that we've paid. Or anything. Oh well.
Something never happens.
We're off there. I'm quite hot then.
Maybe I'm sweating.
I thought I'd better move because you didn't drive off from there. I thought the thing might come back down again. So if I'd have had to have jumped out myself to do it, that would have been a right nightmare, wouldn't it? Spot the Christmas trees. Oh, there's the Duke. It is now time for another leg stretch. We're still on day 8 and I'm doing quite a lot of miles today. We're in Magneux-Haute-Rive. Can't pronounce it, but there's Christmas trees everywhere, so I decided to stop and have a look. I have never in my life seen so many Christmas trees, all different sizes. How many times can I say amazing on this journey? get ready for us to hit 1,000 miles from home. And I'll then give you an update on what fuel I've used. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Lots of love from me.